Alright, so I just installed RS2 exhaust. I rejetted the carb. It was not fun. Those screws on the bottom of the carb suck. But I just want to do a little audio so everybody can hear it. It sounds pretty nice. It runs a lot better. It's much smoother. It's not as jerky. I ordered everything from SR Moto. Came really fast, came in like 2 days. The only real pain in the ass was pulling the plugs out of the carb, the screws on the bottom from the factory, those JIS screws. Those were horrible, but everything else was really easy. And that's really it. Definitely something I would do if I ever bought another one of these or another carbureted bike. It's awesome.